guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I bought some balsa wood. I actually bought this paste for my Raphidophora Hayi, and I decided to swap that little paste for the big one. So my Monstera Dubia got some more room to grow, and just show you. It's got tiny little roots, it attaches itself to the wood. And I'm trying gently, there's another one here, to remove it. See how we go. So now I'm gently removing the soft ties I got around here. Just had a knot at the back, just to support while the plant is climbing. And now I'm going to use this, I think it's a root removing tool, and gently trying to, without breaking the plant, removing the roots. And see, these are the little roots. I've never done this before, so wish me luck. That you can just, she won't be too temperamental with the new board. That board came with the plant and with a perfect aroid mix. If you look at it, it's really perlite, it's really coarse, and the Monstera Dubia loves it. So thank you again to the person who sold me this plant. If you want the contact of the person, message me and I'll pass it on. Now I'm just gonna remove. Okay, now last part is to trail it along the wood again. What I'm gonna do is, it's thin down the bottom, I'm gonna attach it like this. Of course you can use a moss pole, any other things you can think of. A twig, I've seen some in the internet. I love the wood because it looks nice in my bedroom. And I'm actually stoked to do the same with my Raphidophora Hayi. Okay guys, I decided to use a bigger pot. Hard to film for my Hayi. Don't get the roots. So I'm gonna repot it. This is my potting mix. Put the paper towel on the bottom again. And I'm just gently gonna remove the moss. So I'll remove most of the moss on the Raphidophora Hayi. Don't worry about the little bits that are still on there. Don't want to damage the root system too much. Got the nursery pot here. Fill it up about water, and I put the paper towel on the bottom. Now I'm just going to put the roots in, and I want covered with soil till out there, that the top root is covered. So my Raphidophora Hayi is finally on the board, as well as my Dubia is on the bigger board. I used the tree tie for the Dubia. I used the tie that came with the plant, electrical type. Secure your board onto your nursery pot. Probably later on I'll buy a bigger decorative pot just to cover the nursery pot a bit more. I have these guys sitting in an east-facing window in my bedroom, which you'll probably see in one of my upcoming houseplant tour videos. I hope you liked the video, to help you with my tips, and stay planty and see you next time.